sense of the moment, standing out in the open to find the light again. And now I'm seeing angels overhead. Have found me standing in sunlight, all become brand new. I'll be an anchor and fall together to find me. When waters rise, I'll become like you. I'll become like you. Oh, oh. In good and hard times, find you in my lifelines. Look for you in the nighttime, so I can start again. Taught me patience, show me where my truth is, and careful not to lose this when gravity pulls me down, down. Now I'm seeing angels overhead. Have found me standing in sunlight, all become brand new. I'll be an anchor and fall together to find me. When waters rise, I'll become like you. Ooh, oh. When waters rise, I'll become like you. Ooh, oh. When waters rise, I'll become brand new. I'm seeing angels overhead. Have found me standing in sunlight, I'll become brand new. I'll be an anchor and fall together to find me. When waters rise, I'll become like you. Ooh, when waters rise, I'll become like you. When waters rise, I'll become like you. When we were younger, we were sons and daughters coming out of the water, holding everything. Now we're older, making sense of the moment, standing out in the open to find the light again. And now